Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for quick and easy fixes to all your gaming issues. If you're here, it's probably because you've run into that super annoying Xbox error code 80727 while trying to play on PC. Frustrating, right? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered. This error can totally mess up your gaming flow, but by the end of this video, you'll be back to gaming without a hitch. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps that will fix this problem. No need for long searches or trial and error. And the best part, you'll be done in just a few minutes. Stick with me, because I'll be sharing a crucial tip at the end that most guides miss, but it makes all the difference. Trust me, you don't want to skip this one. Step 1. Ensure your PC is connected to a stable internet connection. Unstable networks can cause issues with Xbox Live services. Try switching from Wi-Fi to a wired connection for more stability, or restart your router.